Hello everyone, I'm Jashin, and this is my teammate Tiffany. We are FlySquat, the coder behind VelociFly, a Python-based program designed to simplify the process of purchasing affordable flight tickets from Kuching to any airports in Sarawak.
It also enables multiple ticket bookings in a single transaction. It seeks to promote tourism in smaller cities or rural areas in Sarawak by making travel to these destinations more accessible and affordable. To attract customers, the system integrates edge-based discount calculations, automatically apply discount, and provide accurate price summaries. Additionally, it enhances user convenience by offering customizations options for flight preferences, including class of service, meal selections, and luggage allowance.
Users can also purchase history. However, the scope is limited to flight departing from Kuching, and there is only one flight to destination Delhi. Moreover, users cannot select seats linked to e-wallet or bank or access check-in services. Festival discount, promotions, rides, hotel booking services, as well as point collections and rewards programs are also not included. Now, let's run through the process of purchasing flight tickets with VelociFly.
Once we load the program, we choose Purchase New Ticket, then select our destination through the drop-down menu and click Confirm. By the way, anytime that we want to go back to the previous page, we can just click the Back button. After confirming our destination, the number of seats available will be shown, and we can choose the number of tickets that we want to purchase. After that, we are prompted to fill in the guest details including our name, IC number, and age. Each of the input will be validated, and error message will be shown if the input is in the wrong format. For example, name cannot contain numbers, while IC number should be of 12 digits. Otherwise, this error window will pop up to ask us to edit our information. After that, we are to select the flight class. Similarly, validation will be carried out, and we cannot choose both at the same time. Then we have to fill in our meal selection by typing in the alphabet separated with comma. After that, we can select the luggage allowance that we want to purchase. Otherwise, we can just leave it as 0 kg. Finally, the payment summary will be shown. The currency exchange feature is the highlight of VelociFly. If we are not Malaysian, by selecting the currency of our home country, it will automatically convert the total price to the selected currency. Once we confirm our order, select the payment method and click Generate Payment QR. After scanning the QR code and pay, click I have paid. And our booking is completed.
Once the booking is completed, we can view the purchase history, which the purchase detail will be saved into a text file. The information includes the flight details and guest details as shown here. Our program utilizes a graphical user interface (GUI) built with the Python TK interlibraries to provide an interactive and user-friendly experience. The GUI includes multiple windows and elements that guide users through the flight booking process. The Start Ticket Purchase method begins the ticket purchasing process by clearing the current interface of all its widgets. This is achieved through a loop that iterates over all child widgets of the main applications window, called self.master, removing each one using the destroy methods. This ensures that the screen is entirely clear of any previous contents, such as buttons, labels, or frames from the main menu. Our program uses confirm buttons to serve a critical functions in the application's interface, allowing users to confirm their selected destinations. The tk.button widget is employed to create these interactive buttons, which is placed within a parent's frames to organize its location within the layout. The button's label, confirm destinations, clearly communicates its purpose to the user. When clicked, the button triggers a specific action through the command parameter, which uses a lambda function to call the self.confirm destination methods with the current value. This value, retrieved via the gets method, represents the user's selected destinations from a link widget like a drop-down or radio buttons. This part of the code creates a frames within the GUI for selecting the numbers of tickets. The tk.frames creates a frames widget that serves as a container for other widgets related to ticket selections. The second line of ticket frames positions the frames within the window using the pack geometry manager. The expand property ensures the frame scratch to fill any extra space in the window, while the fill allows it to expand both horizontally and vertically. We also have a validate and proceed functions, which is responsible for validating users' names, IC, and age to proceed with the next steps in the ticket purchasing process. After all the steps have completed, the finalized booking function updates the seat availability. First, it retrieves the destination key from the ticket.destination list. This key identifies the specific destinations for the booking. Then, it checks if the destination is present in the ticket.seat availability dictionary, ensuring that seat availability data exists for that destinations. If the destination is found, the function proceeds it to iterate through the flight classes selected by the users. For each class options, the function decreases the corresponding seat count for that class at the chosen destinations. The change will be saved in the seat availability text file as shown here. Our program has created a QR code for users to make payment. The generate fake QR functions is designed to create a QR code based on the provided text. Using the QR code libraries, it initializes a QR code object with specific parameters such as versions, error corrections level, box size, and border width. The input text is encoded into the QR code, which is then rendered into an image with a black foreground and a white background. To ensure robustness, the function includes a try except block to handle any potential errors during the QR code creation or saving process, providing a user-friendly error message if an issue arises.
As mentioned before, VelociFly has a built-in currency converter which does not exist in other flight ticket booking applications. And here's the code. The request library is imported to handle HTTP requests for fetching exchange rates relative to Malaysian ringgit from an API. This code extracts a dictionary of exchange rates where the keys are the currency codes and values are their respective rates relative to Malaysian ringgit. With this code, a GUI window named Currency Exchange is created. The total price in Malaysian ringgit is retrieved from the previous function and then displayed in the window. The currency rates are also retrieved from the previous function. A drop-down menu is created using ttk.convertbox. The currency variable holds the selected currency value as string variable, whereas the set ALL code sets the initial drop-down value to ALL. The step equal to read only prevents manual text input, allowing selection only from the drop-down menu, whereas the currency drop-down values code populates the drop-down with only available currencies from the reds.key. Once there is a change in the drop-down selection, update price function will be triggered. What is update price function? It will retrieve the selected currency using the .get code and check if the currency exists in the red. If it does, it will convert the total price in Malaysian ringgit to the selected currency based on the red, and then display it in the window.
Overall, the VelociFly flight ticket purchasing programs provides an intuitive, reliable and efficient platforms for travelers to secure their journey. From selecting destinations to managing ticket purchase, meal preference, luggage options, and payments, every aspect is designed to ensure a smooth experience. With our commitments to offering convenience and personalizations, VelociFly truly embodies spirits of adventure.